Hello, I'm Michael. I'm the owner and developer of License Manager Pro. First, we're going to look at installing the License Manager Pro to your server. Open a FTP program to install and upload all your files to your server. Once you have done this, we can start with the installation. Once you've uploaded all the files, open a web browser and go to the install directory. You will be presented with this web page. You will need to enter in your host name, your database username, database password, database name, database prefix if you wish to use one, and the site URL. This is to your shop folder. Once you've uploaded all the files and entered all the database information, click the install button. This then will take you to the installation progress. As you can see here, we have a complete progress of all the files and the config file being created. Once this is completed, you will see the information given is to your website admin panel. Click this and enter in the default username and password. Thank you for watching this short video on how to install the License Manager Pro to your server.